Ring my bell.
Bilal Abbas Khan. Bilal Abbas is a Pakistani actor. He was born on 4 June 1993 in Karachi. Bilal Abbas is an epitome of talent, grace and personality. He received his early education in a boarding school. Lawrence College in Murray. Later he did BBA in marketing in Karachi. His journey of success was not easy for him. He had to face a lot of difficulties and has to struggle a lot to become prominent in the industry. He belongs to non-artistic but very supportive and talented family. Bilal made his acting debut in drama serial Saya Diwar Bhi Nahi as supporting character. Later his character in drama serial O Rangreza alongside Sajjad Ali gave him much love and appreciation, for which he also won the Best Couple Award in Hum Award 2018. In 2017, he got a chance to work in a serial Qurban, which was one of the best performances of Bilal, through which people actually became curious to know him. In 2018, his work in a serial Bala gave another turn in his career, where people fall in love with his acting and personality, for which he also got a nomination in the Best Actor category. The same year he got a chance to show his versatility in acting to work as negative character in serial Cheek along with his all-time favorite Sabaa Qamar. He made his Lollywood debut in 2016 in the film Thoda Ji Le. He has a massive fan following and especially girls are having a huge crush on him. Other than talent, this man is blessed with extremely good looks. He has worked with extremely talented designers. He is also seen in various television commercials too and various cover magazines. So wherever he has achieved is because of his diligence, passion and talent.